My name is Cameron Baker, and I'm a graduate student at the University of Buffalo in Industrial and Systems Engineering. These Sustainable Development Goals are designed to help provide a better and more sustainable future for everyone. They address the challenges we face, including poverty, climate, environmental degradation, prosperity, peace, and justice. The goals are interconnected in order to make sure that no one is behind, and it's important that we achieve these goals by the target date of 2030. The goal that I was assigned was SDG 14, Life Below Water. SDG 14, Life Below Water, refers to conserving and sustainably using the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. The oceans make up 2/3 of the surface area of Earth and about half of the oxygen we breathe. The oceans also act as a climate regulator and absorb heat from the atmosphere and about 25% of man-made carbon dioxide. However, pollution and carbon emissions has caused the composition of oceans to change, which has resulted in climate change, sea level rise, acidification, and coastal erosion. SDG 14 has specific target goals. One of them is by 2025 to prevent and significantly reduce marine pollutions of all kinds, especially from land-based activities. Another target goal is by 2020 to effectively regulate harvesting and end overfishing. A UN report in 2015 says that 33% of marine fish stocks were being harvested at unsustainable levels, 60% were maximally sustainably fished, while only 7% were being harvested at levels lower than what can be sustainably fished. If these trends continue, it's estimated that there will be no fish stocks left for commercial fishing by 2048 in Asia Pacific alone. Albertsons Companies is one of the largest supermarket companies and seafood retailers in the U.S. and has pledged to support the UN Sustainable Development Goal 14 and has also joined the Seafood Task Force. This task force was formed to address issues of forced labor, illegal fishing, and human trafficking in Thailand's seafood supply chains. It's made up of retailers, suppliers, NGOs, and major Thai processors, and is tasked with reforming and providing oversight of seafood supply chains. Albertsons Company has also signed on to a group pledge committing to social responsibility in global fisheries and aquaculture, and is one of the few companies and the largest supermarket to sign on to the pledge. One SDG that is similar to Life Below Water is Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation. Because communities and our aquatic ecosystems depend on non-polluted water to survive, this is important to supporting human life as well as life below water. SDG 13, Climate Action, is also important because it relates to the acidifications of oceans. This is something that can affect the whole aquatic ecosystem and cause issues in the aquatic food chain, which can lead to extinctions.